Alexi. So I I think I've done what you said before. I can't find the Excel sheet, but basically I went got just the top 49 or 50 linebackers because otherwise it was just too much copy paste. Anyway, put them here and sort them highest to lowest. Put the position over here, and then you get this like curve. But I mean, if you want to step by step, you want to like right click these dots here. All right, to make the graph though, select that, select that. You probably know how to do this, but insert graph and one of these, and then after that, you right click this, add trend line, and here's what I chose. I went with polynomial, and then you gotta do that so you can see the equation. But also, this is a little calculus here, but you want to put it to order 3 because what it does it instead of just creating like a as a one curve, it creates a second curve, and the reason that's important is because it's a little bit more accurate. This is right here, this r squared. This is 0.989, closer to 1, the more accurate. And you'll notice that the 3 curve is more accurate than the 2 curve. That this might be a lot to take in, but you're a pretty smart dude. Anyway, so you take this equation, you've got to do a derivative, and basically just means you take that exponent, that 3 right there, you just multiply by that coefficient, and you'll get something like negative. Make this a negative. Ah, shit. Maybe that's why I left it positive. Anyway, you get like 0.057. You do the same thing with this x squared term. So you do that little 2. You do that little 2 times that 0.117, and you get that. And what that does is, just to show you like why I do it the way I do it. So anyway, it goes from like that, and you do a derivative, and what it does, it gives you like the points at which the curve moves and all that. But the reason I like it is because it creates something like this, and then this point right here is what I'm going to show you how to calculate. But this point right here will be like basically where the linebacker value drops significantly according to like the mathematics. So anyway, to do this, you just take the 0.234 divided by 2, and then you divide it by the 0.0057, and you see it tells. So this 20.526 is the point at which the linebacker numbers seem to just start accelerating downward faster. So that 20.56 would be right here between Devin and Jordan Hicks. But these aren't the correct names because you can tell some of this stuff doesn't make any sense. But it goes from 124, 123, 122, boom. We see that super drop after 21. And then it just keeps dropping. But we can even see that in the curve right here too, that if you were eyeballing it, you'd be like, oh, I'm probably good until 40 or 30, which might be good enough for you. But the math, I think, indicates that you want to get them before 20 or 21. All right, I don't even know if that made sense or helps at all, but that's kind of how I do it.